Hello, Algebra 1. Today we're going to do some more factoring trinomials. We're going to get a little bit more practice under our belt. Okay? So the first problem I have for you is right here. And remember, we start with the box. And go ahead and fill in our number and our squared. So b squared and 12. We have a positive 12 and a positive sum, so that means I have a positive times a positive. What do I multiply to get 12? Well, we got 4 times 3. Is 4 times 3, or 4 plus 3 equal to 7? Sure is. So I'm going to put a b behind them and put them in here. Okay, b times b equals b squared. 4b divided by b is 4. 3b divided by 3 is 3. So when I have b plus 4, and b plus 3. There's my first answer. Moving on to this one, start off with the box. And I have m squared and 40. So I have a positive 40 and a positive sum. So that means I have a positive times a positive. Well, what do I multiply to get 40? If I do 8 and 5, that's equal to 40, but 8 plus 5 is not 14, it's 13. What if I do 10 times 4? That's 14. Now I have 10m and 4m. M times m is m squared. 10m divided by m is 10. 4m divided by m is 4. So my answers are going to be m plus 10 and m plus 4. Okay? Moving on. Same thing. Set it up again. S squared and negative 18. Okay? So I need negative 18, which means I have a positive times a negative. Since my sum is positive, that means it's going to be the bigger number. So 9 times 2 is 18, but 9 minus 2 is not 3. Well, what about 6 and 3? That'll work. So 6s and negative 3s. Don't forget, this is the negative number, right? So we have s and s. That'll be 6. That'll be negative 3. S plus 6. S minus 3. Ta-da! One more problem before we go. Alright, t squared will go in the first box. And negative 35. Alright, we have a negative product, so that means we have a positive times a negative. And since our sum is negative, this will be the bigger number. What do we multiply to get 35? What about 7 times 5? Is negative 7 plus 5 negative 2? Yes, it is. So I have 5t and negative 7t. 5t divided by t is 5. Negative 7t divided by t is negative 7. So t plus 5 times t minus 7 are our factors. Oops, that's not for you. That concludes our video. Anytime that you cannot find a product and a sum that will work together, your answer will be prime. Now, that does not mean that this answer will be used often. So please don't look at it and go, that's hard, I'm just going to guess prime. That will bite you in the rear. Okay? See y'all later.